Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is March the 29th. Wow, the month is almost over. We are heading to Publix and these deals are from March the 29th to April the 4th. Remember, as always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Either print it off or just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you like, share, subscribe, and click that notification bell to all. We have a ton of amazing deals, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Our very first deal is on this International Delight coffee creamer. These are usually $4.39 each, but they're on BOGO this week. So each one is going to be just $2.20. This is a great deal. This is still a 32-ounce bottle, so a large bottle of this for just $2.20. No coupons needed on this, and this is definitely a stock-up price because I haven't gotten any great deals on creamer in such a long time. If you watch my Walmart video, please go back and do that. I did get some Silk plant-based coffee creamer for a pretty decent deal in my last video. But this one is a killer deal. No coupons needed on the International Delight coffee creamer. I don't know about you guys, but in my house, we always need to stock up on Lysol wipes. Not just because we have so many kiddos, but I feel like sicknesses have been worse this year. And I really believe it's because we are no longer social distancing and wearing masks and anything anymore. So our body has to get back to our original immune system. These Lysol wipes are usually $5.77. That's a pretty high price for these wipes. I love the soft pack that has the snap lid. If you haven't tried these, get them. They're so convenient. Better than getting the big plastic tub. So these are $5.77, but they're on buy one, get one free. So the price of these will be $2.89 each. We do have a 75-cent Ibotta rebate on these. So that 75-cent Ibotta rebate is going to make each pack just $2.14. But the great thing about this Ibotta rebate is it can be done up to 5 times. So you can pick up 5 packs of Lysol wipes and get this 75-cent back 5 times on Ibotta. Guys, I cannot believe how expensive Pillsbury products have gotten over the years, and we use these all the time. Like, who has time to make fresh biscuits and cinnamon rolls and all those things? So these are great to have in the refrigerator, of course, but these are usually $3.83. No way, no thanks. So they're buy one, get one free. Because they're buy one, get one free, it's like saying they're $1.92. What you're going to do is pick up 3 packs. Your total will be $5.76. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app, or you can use the $1 coupon from coupons.com. Remember, these are all digital, so you can just scan it and then submit to coupons.com. And then with Ibotta, we can submit 50 cents when you buy 2. So you'll get 50 cents back on your Ibotta transaction. So with that dollar and the 50 cents, you're going to pay just $4.26 or $1.42 per pack of Pillsbury rolls. This is an amazing deal on butter. It's actually my deal of the day. This is the Challenge whipped butter. It is usually $3.99. So it will be $2 because it is buy one, get one free. So you're just going to pick up one of them at $2. And then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back. Now, there are a couple different Ibotta rebates out there, so you can just scan different types of Challenge butter to, maximize your savings. But, yep, $2, and you'll get $1 back, making each of these just $1. If you've ever read the back of the Challenge butter, they literally have like 2 or 3 ingredients in them, which makes me so happy. We can actually read the words on the package. So next time you're in the store and you pick these up, make sure you read the ingredients to see how awesome it is. Who doesn't love a dollop of Daisy sour cream on their tacos or their omelets in the morning? So these are $3 for the squeezy ones, which is my favorite one. So they'll make these just $1.50. And then you do have the little tubs that are $2.85. So it'll make those even cheaper. So great deal on these. I've seen a ton of recipes on Facebook and TikTok recently where people are showcasing how they're making some crock pot recipes and they use sour cream in those recipes. So I think I'm going to pull one up, grab a packet of this Daisy sour cream for $1.50 and try out some new recipes for my family. So great deal on this. No coupons needed on it at all. So, no coupon on this Resters hash browns. These are usually $3.29, but they're on BOGO this week, which makes them $1.65. Great deal on these, and I'm actually going to buy these because I'm making one of those crock pot recipes that I mentioned before. It is like a potato taco cheesy recipe. I have some taco seasoning stocked up from Walmart from the Ibotta rebate from before. So I'm just kind of looking in my cabinet of what ingredients I have and making some awesome dishes. I saw this on TikTok, so I'm going to check it out. But yeah, $1.65 for these hash browns. And this is found in the prepared food section over there where like the sandwich meat and the sandwich meat and everything is located, like where the hot dogs are located. So check this out. So I totally forgot to take a picture of the shelf with the Publix strawberry preserves, but I do love jam and preserves. They're my favorites. And anytime I see a coupon on a Publix name brand item, I always make sure I clip that because the Publix prices are a little bit cheaper than some of the other prices when they're not on sale. And I haven't gotten any great deals in forever on any jams and jellies. So I clipped this, forgot to take the picture, forgot the price of this. I'm so sorry, but check it out. There is a $1.50 coupon on the Publix app and see what works for you when you buy this item. So this appears to be maybe a new item. I'm not sure, but this is the Mount Olive Deli Munchies. They are usually $2.39 each, but they're going to be just $1.20 with BOGO. They come in this handy, nice bag, and it has like a little handle on it and everything, and it reseals itself. This just makes so much more sense to me than the jars with the pickles because you're always having such a hard time trying to get pickles out of the jars. And my daughter loves pickles. But this is Deli Munchie, and I don't know about you guys, but why does the deli pickles just hit different? Like, is it magical? I don't know. I'm going to pick these up and see if there's magic in this Deli Munchies bag. So I think part of being a couponer is the fact that we try items that we normally wouldn't try unless we had the coupon and it was a really good deal. So I got these actually for free on Fetch a couple months ago. These are the Blue Bunny mini swirls. And now my kids are obsessed with them. They're like the perfect fit because they're small, and it gives you a little bit of sweetness and it doesn't, it's not some crazy huge ice cream cone. So these are usually $5.89, a little pricey for me. But because they're BOGO, they'll be $2.95 each. I don't have a coupon on these, but my kids are requesting them. So I guess that's the bad thing about being a couponer and trying new things. You're going to get requests for things that you no longer have coupons, but a decent deal on these Blue Bunny mini swirls. Bird's Eye Vegetables. These are the Steam Fresh Veggies. They're buy one, get one free. And the cheapest ones that they had at my store were just $1.89. Now, there's some that are a little bit more expensive. And there are some larger bags, too, if that's something you need. But I like to have these just to be able to have it in the freezer for a quick, side item when I don't have other things that I want to use. Or I will just take these to work with me and have it in addition to whatever else I'm eating, just if I need something else. So great deal on these. These are the Steam Fresh, so you can microwave in the bag if you want, but just $1.89. No coupons on these and no coupons needed for such a great deal on Veggies. Oh my gosh, when did bread get so expensive? This is $5 for a pack of buns. I can't believe this. Wow. So $4.99, but these are buy one, get one free. So they'll be $2.50. And y'all, I love the butter bread and all these different kind of rolls with pepper charm. It's one of my favorite, but I'm not going to spend $5 on a pack of bread. So like I said, they are BOGO, so they'll be $2.50. We do have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back. And it can be on the Deli Swirl, the seedless, the seeded rye, the dark pump, the soft, and the white grain. Just check it. Make sure you scan in the store the different types of bread and see what works for you. And like I said, it's $1 back on Ibotta, but you can do this up to 5 times with this Ibotta transaction, so you can get $1 back on multiple packs of this bread if you need to stock up on bread. So if you want to go ahead and get some bread for sandwiches and bread for breakfast and bread for hot dogs and hamburgers. So yeah, $1 back on that. Just make sure you scan it in the store to check if the Ibotta rebate applies to the different packs that you pick up. So only going to be $1.50 after that Ibotta rebate. Guys, you know me, and I'm always looking for great deals on bacon because my family of 5 will eat a couple packs of these over the weekend. So the Smithfield bacon is my favorite, the Applewood smoked. Not the Smithfield bacon, but the Applewood smoked flavor is my favorite. And these are the 1 pound packs. Usually they're about $8.99, but they're on BOGO, buy one, get one free. So each pack is going to be just $4.50. So I definitely picked up 2 packs to get us through this weekend coming up. This is a no coupons needed deal on this. So pretty good deal on bacon, just $4.50 per pack of bacon. I might even make some jalapeno poppers. We'll see. Guys, when I started couponing, I got toilet paper for free. I never paid for toilet paper or paper towels, but times have changed since COVID. So this is a really good deal. I love Quilted Northern. These are usually $7.49 each. Because they are buy one, get one free, they will be $3.75. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app, which will bring this down to $2.75. Or you can use the $1 coupon on the coupons.com app. It's also $1. So either one. Just make sure for every pack you buy, you use one coupon. So $2.75 is a great deal. Hey guys, if you are loving these videos, please make sure you give me a comment in the comment box. Just let me know what your favorite deal of the day is. And also smash that like button. It helps a ton. So this Eternal Water, I've never tried this. I'm excited. It's one of those natural alkaline spring waters. It's usually $2.50 for a bottle. But with the BOGO, it'll be $1.25. I'm going to get a couple of these and stick them in my fridge at work. I love water like this. It just tastes different. I don't know what it is, but I love to get water like this. So $1.25, no coupons needed on this. So the Lay's potato chips are buy one, get one free this week. So they're usually $4.79. They'll be $2.40 per bag. But we have a ton of different Lay's coupons on the Publix app. I would just go ahead and clip all of those. Some of them are really good because like if you buy the potato chips, you'll get, $1 off some of the Publix bakery bread, whatever it is. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that $2 off when you buy 2. So our total goes down to $2.80 or $1.40 per bag. So pretty great deal on these Lay's potato chips this week. Last year, I was getting a ton of these marshmallows, like a ton. I had like 50 bags, and it's crazy, but we went through all of them because I am a teacher, and we use marshmallows for different math projects or STEM projects. My kids ate them. We had some recipes we cooked with them. I am totally out. So this is a stock up price for me on this Jet Puffed Mini Marshmallows. These are usually $1.99. They're on BOGO for $1. And then we have a 30-cent Ibotta rebate on these. So it's going to make each bag just 70 cents. Great deal on these. And you can pick up a limit of 5. So go ahead and stock up. Pick up 5 bags if you want. Just 70 cents per bag of these marshmallows. The next thing is a candy deal. These are usually $5.19 each. These are the big bags of 30 pieces. But because it is buy one, get one free, these are going to be just $2.60 each. I don't know about you guys, but my kids have the end of the year coming for school, and there's going to be little parties and different things going on. I know there's teacher appreciation also coming up in, I think, the first week in May, I believe. And so these types of things, because I'm a teacher and I appreciate this. But these types of things, if a kid just brings me a bag like this with a little sweet note on it, I would love them forever. This is so nice. So just $2.60 on those bags, big bag of fun-size candies. Now, the next thing isn't a deal, but I did see this in the app. I didn't pick it up, but if you buy any 2 Pepsi 2 liters, you get one of the Starry 2 liters for free. And I will tell you guys that the Starry name is just Sierra Mist. It's just like the Coke's version of Sprite is the Pepsi version of Sprite is Starry. It used to be called Sierra Mist. They lost their copyright claim or something on the name. I'm not sure all the details, but it's called Starry, and because of the new name, they've been putting a lot of promotions out there. So that's a pretty good deal. Get a free bottle of soda if you're buying the Pepsi. Now, ice cream is something I always stock up in my house, and these are going to be just $2.40 each after the BOGO and this coupon here. Now, the Breyers ice cream is $6.89. When I was a kid, we had to have Breyers ice cream, and now that's like not the case anymore. I'd rather have like the Bluebell or whatever. But because they're buy one, get one free, the total is going to be $3.45. My math is wrong on that. $3.45 on these. And then, so your total for both of them, because you're going to pick up 2 containers, is $6.90. You'll use that $2 coupon, and you're going to pay $4.90 or $2.45 per thing of Breyers ice cream. So pretty okay deal on those. All right, and the next deal is going to be on some toothpaste. You guys know I like to get my toothpaste at CVS. But this is not a bad deal. This is the Colgate Optic White toothpaste, and it's going to be just $1.30. So usually they're $4.59 each. Because it's buy one, get one free, each container of toothpaste is $2.30. You will use this $1 coupon here on the Publix app, which will bring it down to $1.30. So not a bad deal, especially if you don't want to have to go to CVS or Walmart. You just need toothpaste and want to pick it up for $1.30. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please watch till the end of the video.